and Daddy. I want to dedicate this song because you're always next to me and catching me when I fall and understanding when I make mistakes. Mom, thank you for everything and I love you. Thank you for teaching me to be yourself, bringing me to the beach, leaving footsteps on the sand, and leaving memories. Your best friend is me and mine is you, and truly we are family. I love you. Singing while cooking, dancing awkwardly, helping when I need you. Always have my back, catching me, and fighting who's cuter in one direction, and dressing me up like a Barbie. And of course, playing mahjong. Hugs and kisses from me to you. Do you know how much I love you? Thank you for Kona. It's the end of the day, and ready to go to bed, saying goodnight. Prayers we sit together talking how our day was, fixing my problems. Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite, she says. Do you know what I'm going to dream about? I'm going to dream about us in the future on the beach together. Daddy. Protecting me 24/7, training Kona. Talking with me with my problems and blowing them away and making barbecue. Thank you for everything. I love you. Your love and your care you give to me makes me loved. Working for money for family vacation. When Grandpa comes, you win. And when you win in mahjong, you are the white man winning. You are barbecuing, having a good time, smelling, looking so good. I have to ask, can I have a taste tester? Same with your smashed potatoes. I eat it and be thankful I have you. Not only that, it's because I love you.